Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Roxana Iqbal from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Dear students, we are here again with your SVT for the month of May. So this is my lecture number 1, grade 5. In your SVT there are two portions, one is oral and another is written. In oral, read the following units carefully and find the meanings of difficult words. There are two units, the brain and nerves, microorganism, health and diseases. So the SVT for the month of May is from these two units. First, you will read these two units and you will find 50-50 difficult words and you will write the meanings of those words. 50 words from the brain and nerves and 50 words from microorganism, health and diseases. And you will write these words and in your copy and then you will write the meanings of those difficult words. Then there is a written work. Written work from unit number 1 is, first is the choose the correct answer. It is from book. You will write it from your book, page number 8. Here it is. You can see which organ work with the nervous system and the sense organ to detect the world around us. So brain is the correct option. There are 4 options: heart, liver, brain and lungs. Brain is the correct option because with the help of brain, with nervous systems and sense organs, we detect the world around us. Number 2 is, which of the following does the brain need in order to function properly? All these things are needed for the brain to function properly. Sleep is also required, oxygen and food. So all these things are required for a brain to function properly. Then what does the medulla control? Medulla is a part of a brain and what it's control? It controls our involuntary actions. What are involuntary actions? The actions which are without our will, जो हमारी मर्जी से नहीं होते बल्कि हमारी मर्जी के बगैर, जैसे कि हार्ट बीट है, डाइजेशन, प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन है, breathing है. Okay, so these are the processes which are controlled by medulla. Then number 4 is, what is the name of the top layer of the skin? The top layer of the skin is called as epidermis. Here is a picture, the diagram of the skin. So its top layer is called as epidermis. Then brain cells are different from other cells of the body because they do not regrow. एक दफ़ा जब ब्रेन सेल्स जो है वो डैमेज हो जाते हैं तो दोबारा नहीं बनते, दोबारा से ग्रो नहीं करते. ओके, सो बाकी हमारे जिस्म के जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं उसका कोई भी पार्ट अगर डैमेज हो जाता है, हर्ट हो जाता है, सो दे कैन रीबिल्ड, दोबारा से उसके सेल्स जो होते हैं वो रिपेयर हो जाते हैं. बट ब्रेन सेल्स जो है दे आर नॉट रिपेयर्ड और रीग्रो. न्यू सेल्स भी नहीं बनते. जो ऑलरेडी जो सेल्स होते हैं एक दफ़ा अगर वो डाई हो जाते हैं सो दे विल नॉट बिल्ड अगेन. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. It is also from, you will write it from your book, page number 8 and 9. Here it is, page number 8. Fill in the blanks. The outer ear directs sounds to the eardrum. Its answer is eardrum. On page number 6, you can see that the outer ear directs sounds to a thin membrane, the eardrum. Okay, so eardrum is the correct answer. Then smells are chemicals in the ear. Smells are chemicals in the ear. Same page, smells are chemicals in the ear. Topic nose. Then next is, the taste buds on your tongues are sensitive to chemicals in food. Taste buds, by reading the topic tongue, the taste buds on your tongues are sensitive to chemicals in the food. Then number 4 is, The nerve cells connect the brain to the spinal cord. The brain and spinal cord make a nervous system, and the nerve cells make this whole system. So brain जो है वो spinal cord के साथ nerve cells के through connect होता है. Then number 5 is the pupil is the part through which light enters the eye. The topic, eye. The pupil is a hole in the center of the iris which allow light to enter the eye. So here you will write pupil. Then nerves are like telephone wires and link all parts of the body to the brain. Here you will write nerves. You can find the answer. Nerves work like a telephone wires. So here you will write nerves. Then the three main parts of the brain are cerebellum, cerebrum and medulla. There are three parts of a brain. You will write these three, the name of these three parts. Then number 9 and the last one is the nerve cells need a continuous supply of oxygen. Oxygen is continuously required for a that the brain will do their work properly. So a continuous supply of oxygen is required for it. Okay students, these are the 2 questions that you will do. Now in next lectures we will discuss question number 3. Till then, Allah Hafiz.